Integrated Geo Instruments and Services Private Limited. The new era of locating yourself. Design, development and production of geoscientific instruments. Authorized dealers for
Integrated Geo Instrument Services Private Limited, in short IGIS, the leading manufacturers of geophysical instruments, have equipments from the simplest to the sophisticated. We are speaking about our model DDR3, the basic model which can go up to the depth of 150 meters. Here, if you observe, I would just speak about the operation of the equipment and its switches. Here we have press for current switch, voltage switch, current switch, force and fine switches. I would detailedly explain about each of the switches during the operation. Let us connect the power pack to the instrument. Here you can see a notch, just place it accordingly, screw it accordingly. Similarly, the other side also, just look for the notch, hole, and then place it accordingly and fix it accordingly. Now let us connect the cables from the potential and the current electrodes, that is C1 C2 from the current and P1 to P2 from the potential. Here if you observe, we are using porous spots for the potential electrodes and current stained dots for the current electrodes. The porous spots are filled with the copper sulfide liquid. The equipment is always advised to be used with porous spots for the potential electrodes for a better SP cancellation. Let us speak about the switches after switching on the equipment. Here, to switch on the equipment, switch on the M unit, similarly the G unit, and keep the switch in the R and in the direct port. Here now we are going to speak about each and every switches. Here, press for current switches to press the current, induce the current into the ground, and similarly voltage and current is to be adjusted as per our requirement. Now let us say we have placed voltage at 100 and current at 100, and similarly now before we start the operation we should make sure each operation cancel the SP and nullify it to 0 and keep the equipment ready. And now if you observe the voltage we have given set it to 100 and current is set to 100, and when we are pressing the button the current is showing 100 and R is showing 2.96. For a better averaging and accuracy, check the R value twice, releasing the pressure current. To make sure the R value is consistent. The equipment can be used for any methodologies like Schlumberger, Werner and inverse slope. Now we are taking the example of Schlumberger, wherein our separations are this way, Mn/2 separations are this way and Ab/2 separations are this way. Now for coming down to the first separation, Mn/2 is 0.5 meters and Ab/2 is 1.5 meters. If you observe from the center, Mn/2 is placed 0.5 meters at the other side, that is potential electrodes at the other side, and 1.5 meters are the current electrodes placed at the inner side. Now let us start the operation. First, make sure the coarse and fine switches are used to nullify the SP and set it to 0. After the SP is nullified, now press the current. If you observe, you would see the current is 100 and the resistance value is 3.11. Now we'll shift to the next separation. Here the next separation is Mn/2 is 0.5 meters and Ab/2 is 2 meters. Now let us press the current switch for the next separation, and if you observe, the current is 100 volts and the resistance value is 1.61. Now I just wanted to explain the variations of this current. Suppose if we place it in 50 and press the current, the current would be showing you 50 and the R value is showing the same way, but the multiplication value as you are putting it in 50, you should multiply it into 2. In a similar manner, if we are placing it in 100, the multiplication factor is 1, so there is no this thing, but when you are placing in 50, it should be multiplied with 2, and if it is placed in 10, it should be multiplied by 10, and similar way if it is placed in 200, it should be multiplied with 0.5. This is the way the current switching has to be changed as per our requirement. Similarly, if the voltage is not sufficient, we need to increase the voltage as per the requirement accordingly. It can also be used in V by I mode option, like our earlier models. In that case, the equipment has to be kept in V instead of R, and here it should be kept in V by I mode, and the equipment has to be operated accordingly. If you press here, current is 1.78 and voltage is 156. Now let us continue the next values. The next Mn/2 value is 0.5 and Ab/2 value is 3 meters. Now the next measurement is 0.5 meters and 3 meters. Potential is placed in 0.5 meters and current is placed in 3 meters. Before we take the measurements, make sure the SP is cancelled, nullified to 0, and press the current. and if you observe, the current is 100 volts and resistance value is 0.89 here. In a similar manner, we need to take the measurements accordingly, shifting our electrodes as per the requirement. And my following slides are explaining how to interpret the data being collected. As we have completed the operation of the equipment, I would like to highlight certain precautions while operating this equipment. Always advisable that never C1, C2 should be shorted. In case if C1, C2 gets shorted up, the first level of the fuse might go off, or else there might be a damage in the instrument. Always make sure that C1, C2 is never shorted. Coming down to check whether the SP battery, 9 volts SP battery, is having a proper voltage. In that case, we have to short P1 and P2 and increase the coarse and fine and coarse button to the extreme corners. Then it shows you around 4.85 or to 5. If it is showing less than 3.5 or so, that means the SP batteries has to be replaced. Further, similarly, if there is an indication of low battery or a triangle mode, here in that case the display batteries have to be replaced. And as I mentioned earlier, make sure that once if you are replacing the batteries, all the 3 9 volts batteries have to be replaced at one given point of time. We recommend certain brands of batteries, that is Eveready, Chameleon or Duracell is the best batteries. Kindly don't buy certain other brands like HW and all are not properly supporting the equipment.